Hey there, today we are going to see how you can streamline your prospecting activities with HubSpot's new Leads tool. If you are new to the CTNI YouTube channel, subscribe and please consider watching our other course videos in order to get a deeper understanding and how HubSpot can elevate your CRM experience. So guys, before we get started with this, the first thing that you need to do is log into your HubSpot account. Once you have done so, now you are inside the HubSpot dashboard. HubSpot's new Leads tool is a game changer for anybody involved in sales and marketing. Click on the left on Workspaces, then click on Prospecting. Now, in order to access the new Leads tool, look at the thing called as Leads, which is the second option inside Prospecting. When you click on Leads, here you will be greeted by the leads that you already have. And then apart from that, there are a lot of different other options. Let's delve deeper into them. This beautiful option to add a lead all by yourself, which is a manual option. So if I click on this add lead option, I can manually add a lead inside HubSpot. Apart from this, what else can I do in order to get more leads inside this leads dashboard? One of the other methods could be that I get my leads from a workflow, or apart from that, there's also another method as well. Let's delve deeper into that. So if you're somebody who's looking into how we can get more leads in here, you can click on this learn more button over here. And here you will be able to see all of the documentation regarding how you can manage the leads inside the prospecting workspace. So you can also pull in the leads, which is an option which comes in first when you're setting up the leads. And let's go and see how you can pull in those leads. Click on the actions button over here, then click on pull in leads. Here you would be able to pull in leads depending upon which contact lifecycle stage are they on. So for example, here we have put in marketing qualified lead. Maybe I want something like if the person is an opportunity, they should also be added. If they are a lead, they should also be added. If it's a subscriber, they should also be added. So right now, this is our HubSpot demo account. So none of those stages have any members in them. So that's why pull in leads is showing up as 0. You can also put in the time duration for which you want this to happen. So for example, I can put this to 180 days and the lowest that it can go is 7 days. And then you click on pull in leads. Here, you also have the opportunity to select the automation settings. For example, I can bring those leads into prospecting automatically depending upon the life cycle stage. So for example, if one of my contacts reaches a marketing qualified lead stage, so I have set up this automation that they would be marked as a lead. And this will help my sales rep in order to further know which contacts are the ones who are primed up for reaching out. And then you can also set up the life cycle stage when a lead is associated. So we change the life cycle stage to a sales qualified lead, which means that that person is somebody that my sales rep can talk to. They can further initiate conversations with them. And then there's also the option which you can enable where you can sync the lead owner with contact or company owner. Now we click on next and you are ready to start managing your leads and prospecting. Click on done and your job is done. Apart from that, let's see what it's like to manually add leads inside HubSpot. Click on the add lead button and here you can create a lead based on a contact or based on a company. Let's first see how you can do it on a contact basis. We just select some of the contacts that we have. Maybe the new lead name would be something like this. And then lead pipeline stage could be something like attempting. Yes, we are attempting. Lead re-attempting. Lead label, is it a hot lead, warm lead, cold lead? Cold right now. Business units can also be selected. So for example, if I want to link this to the HubSpot demo account, I have done that. And then finally I click on create lead and my job is done. Now I can also add a lead which is based on a company. So I click on add lead and here, so now we have selected the company option. So right now this is the demo account. We don't have any company inside here, or you can search when you have enough data inside. And then similarly to the contact one, put in the lead name, put in the lead pipeline stage, the lead type, and you can also select the lead label, whether that company-based lead is hot, warm or cold, and select the business units as well. And similar to the contact section, click on create lead, and then your company-based lead would be created. So guys, apart from the options to add the lead, if you click on actions, there is the option to view all of the leads that you have. You can view the lead funnel report. You can also open the settings and you can restore leads in case you have deleted some of them. So if we click on view lead funnel report, we can see our reports about the lead funnel. So this is our demo account. Not a lot of data is in over here, but you can see the leads overview, the leads progress, the leads conversion for the time duration that you select. So for example, we have set the date range of last month. So it's showing us that. We can also set the date range of this fiscal quarter. So it will show us that we have 3 open leads, and every other detail about those leads is here. There's also the option to see the lead owner. So I have created all of those 3 leads. So that's showing up here. So Aditya Nath Jha has created 3 leads which are open, which are in progress, and the sum average in progress is written over here. There's the sum conversion rate, average time to first touch is also written. So all of these details are here about this in the report section. Now, if we go back to the lead section, let's go back to the prospecting area where we get the leads. So here we can see the leads which are present initially in our system. So we can see the labels as well, cold, hot, warm. In case I had more data in here, I could select the label. For example, if I just wanted to see the hot leads, so I could see those. So that's also a good way to sort out the leads that I have inside my system, and this can come in really handy for sales reps. This view can also be sorted depending upon the company, the stage, and there are other options as well, like lead engagement, last activity, next activity, or lead tags. We can select more filters and edit the columns over here in order to have a different kind of view. Capturing leads has never been easier. HubSpot's new tool allows you to create customized forms that can be embedded on your website or landing pages. These forms are designed to capture essential information such as name, email, company, and job title. Now, coming to the form creation process, we have already done so. You can watch on by clicking on the link in the description below in order to see how you can use forms in order to capture more leads. You can also integrate these forms with your existing marketing campaigns, ensuring that every lead is tracked and followed up on. Plus, with the built-in analytics, you can see which forms are performing best and make data-driven decisions in order to optimize your leads capture process. Once you have captured your leads, the next step is to prioritize them. HubSpot's lead scoring feature allows you to assign scores to each lead based on their behavior and engagement. For example, you can assign a higher score to maybe the leads who have visited a particular page on your website or maybe downloaded a white paper from your site. We have already covered a video on how you can set up lead scoring inside HubSpot. You can click on the link in the description below or click on the icon on the top right in order to access that video. This helps your sales team focus on the most promising leads, increasing the chances of conversion. You can customize the scoring criteria to match your business needs, ensuring that your scoring system is aligned with your sales goals. Nurturing your leads is crucial in order to convert them into customers. HubSpot's new Leads tool integrates seamlessly with its email marketing features, allowing you to set up automated nurturing campaigns. You can create personalized email sequences that are triggered based on a lead's actions. We have already done a complete video on how you can set up an email sequence inside HubSpot. In case you want to watch that, click on the link in the description below or on the card above. For example, if a lead downloads a case study, you can immediately send them a follow-up email with more relevant content. This keeps your leads engaged and moves them further down the sales funnel. One of the biggest advantages of HubSpot's new Leads tool is its integration with the HubSpot CRM. This ensures that all of your lead information is centralized in one place, making it easier for your sales and marketing teams to collaborate. In case you want to understand the CRM interface, we have a complete video, beginner's tutorial to HubSpot CRM, wherein we will show you everything about the CRM, contacts, companies, everything else, how you can set up your complete CRM journey. Everything is shown over there. You can click on the link in the description below in order to access that. You can track the entire journey of a lead from the moment they enter your funnel to the point they become a customer. This 360-degree view helps you understand your leads better and tailor your approach to meet their needs. Finally, HubSpot provides comprehensive reporting and analytics in order to ensure that nothing slips by through the cracks and everything is brought to your attention. These help you to measure the effectiveness of your prospecting activities. You can generate detailed reports on lead capture, scoring, and nurturing, allowing you to identify areas for improvement. Now, if we talk about reports, we already have a complete video about reporting inside HubSpot. You can watch on that video in order to understand it further. These insights are invaluable for refining your strategy and ensuring that you are always working towards your sales goals. HubSpot's new Leads tool is a powerful addition to any sales and marketing toolkit. By streamlining your prospecting activities, you can save time, increase efficiency, and ultimately drive more revenue to your business. If you haven't already, give it a try and see the difference that it can make. So guys, I hope you understood everything, and in case you still have any sorts of doubts, feel free to reach out to us for a free one-on-one consultation call. In case the doubt is something trivial, you can always leave a comment down below and we'll be more than happy to help you and assist you. And do reach out to us for a free one-on-one consultation call wherein maybe we can help you build that project of your dreams. And guys, I'll see you soon in the next video.